From a body well a copper and lead.
No
man
man.
have another
Body man feeding. Shout out them bucklers.
For the last.
All in Clan Foota Hype, Cartel and Ishawna. Welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat with Checks Dan
and Naz.
People, me can't wait to get in it today. Cause me know enough people are going to burn me out and say, yo, Cartel, listen. A Cartel internet.
Give me the hot.
You see me?
Hot.
And when me say Cartel internet, Cartel internet. You ever hear Cartel? You ever hear something say? You ever hear
that? I'm not going to disagree with you this evening.
Bombard.
I'm going to make you go on. You see me?
So you join the Sheet Nation?
No. I'm not join it, but I give the props where the props due. Cartel, they in the scene there.
Listen if me shit them can yam, every song when me make them want, me are the dancehall
that. People, you know what I'm saying? Then, before we go no further, you don't know the things that already. Please, give the video a thumbs up, man. And for the people them who wanna subscribe yet, yo, wanna wait pan. Wanna wait pan, just click the little button, brother. You see me? Yeah. And then come join me.
Right, that's the thing there, man.
Right, that's that.
Gaza.
Yo, but I said but we have only for things to talk about.
Brother, I tell you say media hot.
Yo, first thing first.
Welcome the king of the dancehall.
Why it look like we're going to take your crown from him, you know that? It look like we're going to take your crown.
A long time me I tell him, I say, yo, alright, you see which part where respect you.
Zane.
Beenie Man is a great entertainer. Beenie Man have a lot of hit songs. Beenie Man is very lyrical in a way where when you listen to his song them, you can enjoy it. You get me I say?
Yeah.
Beenie Man was the king of the dancehall, bro. May I be honest? Beenie Man was the king of dancehall, bro. But right now, Beenie Man now in the panda level they no more, bro. You see me?
Yeah, you know what I say? I'm not going to go around the thing, brother.
Alright,
I grew up and listen to Beenie Man.
Yeah.
Really respect Beenie Man, dog.
Oh yeah, for respect
love the man energy. You see me? I love him song them.
Yeah.
But also me have a bone for pick with him, you know that.
Beenie Man, as me tell you already, me no hate Beenie Man and me no dislike Beenie Man. Me dislike how Beenie Man go about. You see culture, bro, you can't play with the culture.
Zane.
You see me? Dancehall culture is something, bro, where you have to something where you have to prolong, dog. You have to keep feeding. You see me?
Yeah.
You have to have somebody that come after you, bro. And if you think, say, you are going to reign for 40 days and 40 nights, meaning 40 years.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
And you don't expect so nobody not going to challenge you and nobody not going to take your crown.
But back in the days, the Beenie Man did hotter road, you know, bro.
But you see what you say?
It did.
No, you hear what you say? Back in ideas.
Yes. So that's why I tell you, say, yo, I have to rate him because
me rate him
we can't say Beenie Man no playing part in the culture.
Bro, me been say that.
Right. Beenie Man play a big part in the culture. And
yes,
I understand.
Bro.
So, yo, guess what? You see over the years, dog, dancehall grow, dancehall change, dancehall move. Exactly.
Dancehall evolve, bro.
Dancehall evolve.
Exactly.
You understand what I say? So you have to be the man have to see that now. Say, yo, it's not push the man, try push him out.
No, bro.
It's just that it's a new era.
New era.
You understand what I say? And you have to give the man them props.
Yeah, bro.
Sometimes you have to step out of the limelight when nothing now go and feel. And just elevate the young youth them with
you talking about stepping out the spotlight or step out of the limelight. Bro, Cartel sell out how much shows since he come from prison? How much show Cartel sell out?
Holy dog.
Countless.
In first big show where him sell out.
Jamaica.
At Jamaica, Freedom Street.
Alright.
Can't deny that.
Then
Yeah,
in
isn't
go
it?
one of them small island go sell it out.
Go sell it out.
Then in come and America and sell out the Barclays
Yes.
twice.
Zane.
40,000 people that 40,000 people in a 2 day.
But dog,
See?
alright.
Beenie Man have 2 shows come up. You hear what happened to Beenie Man?
Beenie Man, why me here say your show get where duck get in a youth.
Dog,
Ticket sale now go
Dog,
nowhere.
the man ticket they nah sell, bro.
The man ticket them now go nowhere, dog.
Ticket they nah sell, dog.
So hold on, you feel say a Cartel make him go do them show, make him put on the show and a 2 show you have, you know?
Yeah, he have one in New York and
one
he have
Virginia.
one in Virginia.
And the one in a Virginia get where duck get.
Yeah, ticket sale slow. And the one in a New York ticket sale also slow, but it not sell like how it's supposed to sell. So right now, the dog go buy the dog buy 2 new vehicle, dog, and I wonder if he might go carry them back. Because
Dog, you know what I say, you're funny.
you know.
You might know I laugh, you know, but you're going to tell him why big man say if he carry back in vehicle.
Me not say if he carry back, you know. Me never say if he carry back.
Where is it?
Me a say maybe him if he go carry back. Me never say him fi carry back.
Dog.
But what's this now? As me say, Cartel set trend. See Cartel by see them when I see them. One of them monster truck, it Tesla them.
You mean the cyber truck?
Yeah, the cyber truck. And then me see Beenie Man buy woman.
After Massa, I'm sitting there that G-Wagon.
G-Wagon, me see Beenie Man go red interior.
But then me wonder dog, because the same style me see Cartel walk in the video and hug up see them.
So what you know, bro?
I see him think me
Man,
see
me
Beenie
tired
Man
to tell you,
do
bro. Me
and
tired
go
to tell
hug up
you.
him girlfriend. Yo, Beenie Man, what go on? What
Bro,
really a go on?
if me no shit them can yam, every style when me make them one. Listen up, bro. This is what Cartel say, no daddy.
Dog. Yo, Beenie Man, I feel like
Listen, me know what
there's a
say.
little jumpy move that's still in. Brother, you're supposed to focus on your show.
Not even that, bro.
All of your show them where you come up, brother.
Not even that, bro. You see, you have an idea. A man do a thing. Do something for yourself. Do something different. You see me?
Zin.
Go in a helicopter and ride to my baby and make it fly across and say, yo, G-Wagon for my baby. You don't have to do the same thing where you see a next man do, bro.
Right.
You see me?
I respect you, man, in that.
But you dog buy a blood, man buy a Benz.
Yo.
What kind of Benz?
Is a G-Wagon, man?
No, man, he buy himself a Benz, bro.
Oh, him by himself a Benz?
Rascal.
So him buying woman a G-Wagon and then he buy himself a Benz?
Yes.
Oh, because Cartel buy a Tesla.
Yes.
A cyber truck for see them.
Yes.
And then buy himself a G-Wagon.
But Cartel also buy a Range Rover before that.
But dog, none of the time for Beenie Man to go show say him have money because we are going to say, yo, because you see Cartel, brother, me now hold my mouth and go and talk.
But you know?
And you know, say, yo, me I know the Gaza fan, you know, see me over there, so, you know, but brother, me have to give credit, brother. It's
but
like a little jumpy move that,
but
brother.
even if I know, because Cartel do it, him do it, it a go look that weird there.
Zin.
You get me? I say, even with the shows them, like, me feel like the shows them I keep too close to each other.
Too close.
You see me?
Zin.
Me feel like them should have spaced it out little, bro, cause
Zin.
that Cartel a do film tour now. You get me I say?
Mm-hmm.
And yes, everybody have them fans, bro. But the end of the day, you can have your fan, me can have my fan, and my fan are your fan, and your fan are my fan.
Zin.
You get me I say? And the end of the day, if you spend $300 and $400 on one show this month, you're not going to spend one next $300 or one next $400 to go on next show next month. You get me? So, me feel like the timing was just wrong where them choose to keep Beenie Man show.
But you know,
You see me?
yeah, my 2 cents on that too is because me think, really, me think Beenie Man should have spent some more time and promote the thing properly, bro. You know what I say? Me not think it was enough, as I said, enough space from Cartel show. No, you know why Cartel are go hot and Cartel are go keep on being in the limelight for right now?
No,
Cartel,
no.
Hold on, no. Listen to what I say. Just listen to what I say.
Youth.
Because me don't want the S Nation them come for me.
But
see?
remember say you're part of the nation now, you know.
Listen, my dad. Cartel right now, as me tell him, me give him props.
Yeah.
Then, I me give him credit. Cartel just come from prison. People don't see Cartel for about 13 years.
Yeah.
Now, Cartel are going to sell out basically every show when put on. Everywhere where Cartel go, it have a burn up because people don't see him for over many years.
That is not it.
Well, I know man, me I explain my side. You can explain your side.
All right.
Then, Beenie man, they out long time I do him thing and whatever.
Yeah.
Now, it come like when Sting did I go keep and when Cartel did I go keep. Theme show. You know when Nuffy come out and say to Leng, cancel the show because Cartel thing I go suck all of the crowd. Leng listen, even though Leng never agree in the first half, him listen. Because Cartel hot. I me tell him I give the credit. Beenie man can't come expect right now if you go do the same thing with Cartel do. Because Beenie man, you're there out here, so people I see you every day, you're regular, you know. And your time kinda gone in the past.
Bro, that are not it.
Tell me then.
Cartel are one different species. You see me? Cartel are not a regular person. He's not a regular individual, bro. Whether indeed they are prison or not.
But that helping.
No, bro. Listen me, I say no, man.
Brother,
listen, when Cartel in the road, I'm going to show you something.
No, I agree with you.
You know, I'm going to show you something. Cartel know how to market. Learn this.
Yeah, but
everything where, listen me, I say no, bro. Everything where you do, and it is successful, how much marketing and how you market your thing. That make it successful. See? Vybz Cartel know how to market. Vybz Cartel are one of the first man, you know, out of Jamaica, you know. Allow me to see our next man do. Look on Teacher's Pet. Look how much artists bust before Cartel. Cartel have a different mindset, bro.
Bro, understand the whole mindset.
The man is the man are not normal being, bro.
Tricks. The man normal just like anybody
no
else.
Youth.
Brother, the man normal, you can't tell me
man
nothing.
come from, man?
The man normal like anybody else. The man promote him show, yes. But me I tell you, me agree.
Bro.
So the man promote him show. And it's in the promotion. Zin? But Cartel dog have the world right now because him fresh from prison and people don't see Cartel for 13 over a decade.
Listen up.
People that experience the man like how they might experience him now.
Bro, listen up.
So what you think, bro?
All of him man never got prison.
Brother, yo, man.
All of him man never got prison.
Yeah.
Unafraid to admit the fact, you know that.
No, and that's why we are not admit the fact. We are admit the
bro,
fact.
Listen up.
We already admit the
prison
fact.
Prison or not, bro. Cartel is a different. Listen up.
Right now,
every
let me tell you
listen up. Every interview where man do, the man is a different being. Dog.
Brother, let me tell you this.
No bounty killer can compare. No Beenie man. No alkaline.
No,
the man cannot compare, bro.
If Cartel never got jail and continue down the same path where Cartel did start out from, me guarantee so Cartel would not take the same road right now where my chat.
Sir P, warm to you, man. Come on, man.
But just, no, you have to look on it them way.
Listen up.
Prison turned Cartel into a brand new man.
Listen up, bro.
Nobody can tell me nothing.
That's true.
If Cartel did continue the same path without prison,
all right.
Cartel
would have gone down
people into a dark hole right now.
We are going to give him that. But watch this. Fresh from prison. A brand new king has risen.
Yeah, you me say.
Yo.
You me say. We agree.
Agree to disagree.
Cartel right now, we'll give him the crown. Beenie man, give up the crown, brother.
Oh man.
Let it go.
Cartel like king of dancehall, bro. Anyway,
you never said that, you know.
You see me?
Me never said because he's not officially crowned as king.
What is now? Big man thing.
You see me?
What you think about Foota Hype?
Foota Hype are the next one, bro. Who is Foota Hype?
Foota Hype.
I don't know disrespect, but just want to know.
No, kind of crazy because back in the days, I knew Foota Hype was as one of the baddest selector in a Kingston, from Kingston, Jamaica. That is what I knew Foota Hype as. You see, when people left Jamaica and come live a foreign, them lose.
Them way?
It's like they losing roots, bro. It's like they lose. Like, you see, if you're not there on something, you can't do it like how you used to. If you get what me I say.
True.
Like, watch it, some artists, like you have some man who based in a New York where artist. And if they not got Jamaica, they can't give a good song.
You see, Foota Hype, me see Foota Hype as a man where do a lot for the culture as well.
Yeah, bro.
Now, as I say, Foota Hype was a bad selector. Me don't really know if I get no whole heap of show right now like when usually get back in the days. But you remember the other day we talked about social media and killing people career.
Yes.
Me think social media also is Foota Hype downfall. There's nothing out there where Foota Hype mouth no inner.
Okay, that me just did that tell us say Foota Hype,
You
bro.
see me? It's a youth where me respect because him come like Tony Mataran when the man they there in a selective.
Me read Foota Hype, you know.
You understand?
At one point in a dog, I said, one day me can be like Foota Hype. But dog, when Foota Hype come live a foreign brother, Foota Hype just take up this barbershop chair, bro, and he just chat. The man chat everybody business, dog. And then you see that now, bro. Yeah. That is a big turn off, bro. It probably a work for him.
But remember,
Foota Hype chat too much, brother.
Remember one time in come on social media, you know, I don't know if you did see it. And I said, boy, I look like him going to get a 9 to 5. Because nothing in the go and feel that.
Bro, you see me, I show you.
And me feel like because all this social media they're going to give this negative impact because you talk against everybody.
Everybody, bro.
Then, no, nobody now go and book you if you come at them show come do no selecting.
No, and
look how Nuffy end up past this money. And Nuffy wasn't a selector, but me talk about career-wise.
Career-wise, no.
Although Nuffy a veteran still, you know.
Nuffy was always big, bro. The reason why Nuffy they elevating a trim apart with the world boss, you know. You see, once you're apart with Cartel, you have to elevate. Bro, let me tell you this. You see, if you build something, sometimes you have to tear it down. If you get what I say.
Real thing.
Sometimes you accomplish things in a way where you desire it, you have to crash and burn. Just like a phoenix.
Mm-hmm.
It's when the phoenix dead and he rebirth. Remember say phoenix come back alive after, you know.
Zane.
And he come back more powerful. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So me feel like that happened with Cartel. Cartel crash and burn and then he just evolve in the phoenix there. Everybody where they around him does get allies. Yeah, his success does
rub off
on everybody, bro.
Yeah, we want to see rub off on, you know. We want to see it rub off on Foota Hype ex-girlfriend. Ishawna. Yeah. So now that Ishawna,
bro,
Ishawna is around Foota Hype. I mean around Vybz Cartel. Make we see if Vybz Cartel energy can elevate and make Ishawna career burn and soar
I know, phoenix. Bro, listen now. Bro, I know his success I go rub off on Ishawna, you know.
Oh.
All them glad Foota Hype see all Cartel and Ishawna and scatter on them man there. Bro, that at you know.
Yeah, dog. But I feel like that was his biggest. I don't know that. I don't know what he say about that. But Foota Hype take a real hit there, so.
Bro,
and from ever since, even though I'm baby mother, me think Ishawna name never come out of Foota Hype.
Never.
Same way, bro. And over so many years, if you let go them things.
Watch out, when I think, as a man, me feel like, we say if you're a woman left, bro, and no matter what you go through, and no matter what happening in a relationship, you should have respect for that woman because you used to deal with that woman there, you used to sleep with that woman there. You used to drink from the same cup with that woman there.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? Me feel like if you have that level of respect the dog, if you at least make bygones be bygones. You have an idea and baby mother, you know?
That's what I say too.
If you can slaughter your child mother name, then girl they ready, then girl they take, bro. Come on, you're no man. You're a man too. You see
you may say that. But me know say follow Foota Hype things still in that.
Me know say.
You see me?
I know success alone are rub off my Ishawna, because Ishawna stay good enough, brother.
I only passing a rub off money, me know.
Me don't know if a cartel or scatter.
But talking about that.
Sitting a rub off my Ishawna.
Talking about that, me hear she and Cartel do a song, but I don't hear it going away like that. I think it's song them too freaky with Ishawna.
But Ishawna does love a freaky thing. But
listen, but you know what I say? There are certain things, you say it just now. You say sometimes you have to crash and burn or rebirth.
Yeah.
If that not work for you, come on, you're there on a man with versatile. Zane, Cartel, go through so much different era in our music, changing flow, in style.
Yeah.
You see me? Ishawna, if your sister that now work for you, the whole heap of freaky song and them thing there, switch your tone.
I mean, I say something.
Switch it to something else and try. Yo, they see wide, you know that.
Me know.
Yeah, well.
I get that. Let me tell you. She did try the Cartel effect. A lot of artists, me see a lot of artists try use the Cartel effect. You have to have the right lyrics and the right melody and the right. You get me, I say?
Yeah.
Yes, Cartel, sometimes when Cartel doing freaky song, them, you know that, you learn sitting from them, you know.
Well,
you get me, I say?
Learn nothing still, but.
No, you
learn something.
Bro, you're going like you don't listen to Gaza song them. Come on.
That me listen to man song, but me don't know if the man song them is a learning thing for me.
But alright.
A learning song for you, brother.
Alright. Well, come off a teacher, you know. Come off a teacher, you know.
Yo, everything this somebody bring back him teacher, you know. But yo, you may I say, Jah Cure, dog.
Yo, I'm dying
to say man soon come a road or in that road or something.
Me dying to see Jah Cure out again, bro. I want to face these artists out of Jamaica. And I want to crazy these artists out of Jamaica. Because me don't know how you know say you go stab up a man. Your voice not him and tell him and say, yo, boy, you meet me, no, batty boy, meet me down the road because I'm going to stab you up, you know. And the man literally do what him say him I go do. Bro, man.
Dog, you know, learn.
Bro, man, listen, you know. Man, create the evidence against himself, you know, bro.
What's in world boss?
Yo, come on for Cartel name.
Alright, me just I say, but them man don't learn that.
Come on for Cartel
I'm going to point out him. In 1999, me not even did know, say, Jah Cure. Because we say all news still, you know, but 1999, this man get charged for
grape.
Because we know, you see me? This man charged for grape. This man charged for illegal firearm.
Yeah.
This man charged for one bag of thing, brother, and he get 15 years him did get sentence on.
But I think he come out on good behavior.
Alright, for 7 or 8. I think he do 7 or 8 years. Then how comes you get such freedom? Busy tell the judge say, me nah got jail again. Oh no. No. How can't you learn from all these people, dog? You come back and you just dash your freedom after you're going so good. Look how much hit song Jah Cure have.
Yo, listen to Jah Cure.
Him album, you know, say Jah Cure they get all a Grammy.
No, listen, you see Jah Cure, bro. Jah Cure are one of them man the way. If them man they say, them are going to thump in your face, them are going to thump in your face. You see me?
The man still.
I want to buy this artist out of Jamaica, you know. Take this for me. Jah Cure,
man. Cultural artist.
Artist out of Jamaica.
Remember, you know that the man stay from prison wall like
behind
Cartel,
these prison walls.
So you see, on the Cartel alone, do it.
Do it, man. Listen. Cartel.
Yo,
did
forget
it the
that
best.
the man the name, bro.
Cartel did it the best.
Yo, Jah Cure with upon Jah Cure. But anyway, people walk around saying man come a road because Spraga Benz posted on him social media.
Yeah, no, he say he might come out. He say he might come out for good behavior.
Well, under that Spraga Benz post, in post out something like out on the street or out on the road, something like that. Spraga Benz. See the picture here. You see me? It says on the road again, road to prosperity.
Yeah.
So that people take and run with.
Oh,
feel like, you know, but Jah Cure do have
appeal or something like that. Yeah.
Zane a come up.
Yeah.
Must be the 18th of July.
Bro, me can't wait for the dog touch the road. Jah Cure, me case and touch the road. And nobody send no more voice note, please.
You see, we talk about the mistake where the artists they met, brother. Jamaica have so much talented artists. And when you see the man, they make the mistake and you keep on and repeat them over and over. Bro, now if you clean up on the acute.
I'm talking about Jamaica. Me can say something, I don't know if you see what really are going. Bro, Jamaica have so much talent. Jamaica have the giants of the world.
True,
music-wise, in?
True.
And bro, Jamaica don't have a good stadium or a good arena, bro. Fi keep a show where, alright, watch this. Jamaica should have benefiting a brother from all of them things, you know, bro. But guess what?
Me think about it too, you know.
Jamaica don't have the facilities, bro. Me feel like the government fi invest.
Me feel like it's the government, bro. Me feel like it's the government. The government themselves have to take it upon them hand.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, dancehall and reggae should be like a baby where we treasure.
But the next thing you talk about the government and dancehall, bro. Remember say government themselves did a fight against dancehall.
But at the same time, look on this, dog. Look how them benefit from it. Because you remember one election, much artists participate and promote the different politicians them.
But watch this.
Lisa, Anna, Andrew Owens, all of them have different artists and sing songs for them.
But watch this. You see dancehall, you can't want put restriction on dancehall. Dancehall was made to be the way it is. Slack, late night to early morning. You get me? I say, dog, you see?
I don't know. Me think a little bit of restriction.
No, bro, you can't put restriction on something where
think.
Listen, this is how dancehall was created, bro.
True.
And watch this now. You remember when
if you make it run wild.
No, bro. I know run it around. May I show you something. You see when Passa and them thing they used to keep at Jamaica, you know how much money used to come in at Jamaica because of them thing there, because you have tourists who were fascinated, bro, by Passa. Mm-hmm. You see me? Dog, once they start like a party, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, bro, dog, the money I go dry up.
Yeah, but remember I said, dog, let me tell you this. When I did young, I'm here dance I keep out the road. Brother, I couldn't sleep. The whole of my roof, I said to zh. Oh, me I go sleep, dog. People are going to work the next morning.
Cover your head. Cover your head, daddy. Watch out
now. But what I say, there has to be some kind of rules or restrictions or something with govern where me not say if it stop it completely.
Watch out now.
But you have to have something with govern it, dad.
Watch out, I want to share something. Watch this now, watch this. Jamaica are the founding fathers for reggae and dancehall.
Yeah,
see?
Me agree.
Watch this. You know, say everywhere else in the world benefit from reggae and dancehall more than Jamaica. Look, you see how Cartel sell out 2 arenas in New York?
Mm-hmm.
You see Cartel sell out Florida?
Mm-hmm.
Dog. All of them big artists are dog where we have.
Talk about Alkaline to the dog. Alkaline will sell out
Alkaline
UK.
Sell out the UK.
Good. Talk about that too. Because we dancehall do it everywhere.
Dancehall do
so
it, bro.
So mention the man them we do it everywhere.
So what
I
I'm
don't
saying,
show did go on good down at Jamaica.
Listen now, so what I'm saying is, bro, Jamaica should have capitalized, bro. Jamaica need to build some form of infrastructure dog where facilitate dancehall concerts, bro. Make people have to fly in from different countries come see.
Dog,
you see me?
Shit, yo.
You get me? I say, bro.
Yeah, dog.
Bro, make them come taste the jerk chicken on the roadside.
On the roadside, the authenticness.
Bro.
Yes, bro. All of those things are dancehall surround
want to minister culture and development. That's all.
Babsy Grange.
That's
what's your name?
I think Babsy I minister culture.
I don't know about she me know.
But listen what I say. We don't need to take these things into consideration because a lot of other places are benefit from our culture, and we as Jamaicans will live at Jamaica. Or people there, even the country, bro. The country now benefit, bro.
True.
Dog. England a benefit. US a benefit. Canada a benefit, bro. Listen.
Europe, Europe,
bro.
Africa.
All right.
Small countries,
all of these countries are benefit.
Them to
watch out, them are making money, you know, bro. You think say if Jamaica did not make money where these countries are make, bro, them would have to borrow money from China or borrow money from IMF.
Yo, we have a rich heritage, dog.
Brother.
We need to start capitalize.
We need to start capitalize, bro.
Yeah, man. We need to start capitalize.
Yeah, man.
Well, yo, before we have one more thing to talk about, dog.
What that?
Yo, we need to talk about a picture, yeah. Dog. Beenie, man. Kiprich. And Tommy Lee.
Yo.
We do.
Bro.
Yo, you man.
Guys, so don't left on a comment and tell you what you think about it.
Bro, yo, me need to pick a bone.
Bro,
know,
just tell the people if you left a comment, bro.
No, dog. Yo, me rate them artists, dog.
Bro,
but you see, Beenie Man and Kiprich are 2 artists. Me know when we got high school.
Yeah, brought me name, man.
When we got high school, dog.
Yeah.
And the boss them a kick the music them. Orgasm rhythm. You know that rhythm.
Yeah, man.
And we have to dig up certain
You a booger man, apa? You a licky ba?
So we are going to dig up a few things. Then?
Me talk to him and you know people.
No, but yeah, me I say. Me not disrespect nobody.
No, me know you're not disrespect nobody.
This picture circulate on the internet.
Yeah, me see several of them.
Right. So me just have my 2 cents for say them.
Yeah.
You see me? And first thing we want to touch, want a Beenie man.
Yeah.
Want a Beenie man.
Zagazaw.
Well, I'm sick of that. But the show off to go on. Yeah, me I say. Then, Beenie man have a bunch of songs.
Yeah.
We burn out Sprat.
Yes.
And Freakiness.
Yes.
And you just did that sing one a while ago.
Yes.
Then?
Yeah, licky ba.
Well, yo, more go a little bit deep by digging up on them old song. You see me?
Yeah.
Where Beenie man do. I mean, tell us when we in high school, that song a kick. We just like look on it. I'm more you sing it. What you know fi do?
But
what you know fi do?
So, boom.
What you know fi do? What you know fi do? All right. Hey, from a body well a copper and lead.
No man
have another.
Body man feeded. Shout out them bucklers. All right, sir.
All right. Yo, that song there, Detail.
Yes.
That song there, man, what the man is singing, man, passionate about the song, brother.
But yo,
Then?
although they say show me your friend.
No, dog. In the song, I go chew up the lyrics too. I just look at the lyrics, dog. This song, Detail. Them man there, when they hear about freak, when they hear about homosexual,
yeah.
When they hear about them thing that them man there against them something.
Yeah.
And me feel like them not go talk the truth or come and say it, but me feel like that was one of the reasons why them man the visa they get take away. Yeah, because you know American
bro, the
different.
LGBTQ them run
Then,
everything, bro.
Yo, me don't know much about Tamale. Honestly, him sang them when he sing about. You know what I say? Because Tamale are after Beenie.
Tamale, I'm not none of them songs.
So me can't even say yo not about Tamale, but Kiprich, brother. Kiprich, dog. Me rate him, man. Yo, when me go to school, you know, dog. See all when the man drop all the pen song, and when all the phone mash up, and the man gone to letter writing.
Yeah.
You see me? Dog. You see, Kiprich and Beenie, man.
Yeah.
are one of the two artists we have the two biggest songs, the two hottest songs with Bun Freak, apart from Chichiman by T.O.K.
Yeah.
Then, BEENINE and Kiprich.
And Shabarang.
Yeah, and Buju Banton. But we know, me a talk about when me go high school and me hear the music are kicking a bus.
Yeah.
More me you know hear the Kiprich one too. Kiprich one, you know it, you know. Yeah, me I say, you know. Not no winner in with them. Not no winner in with.
Damn right. Could have been my daddy for a funny man. Cut him off. Could have been my brother for my. Cut him off. Cut him off. Damn right.
Cut him off, brother. Brother, them money. Brother, I will tell you that. Them money song detail. The man say could have been mother from a lesbian.
Yes, cut him off.
Cut him off. Could have been brother from the chat to man. Cut him off. My question is, what go on here, so dog? This man, dog, yo, una hypocrite, you know, dog.
Bro.
Me not disrespect nobody, dog. But me just I say, dog, as a look at you, I grew up and me I got high school and me I
you say you idolize them and
yes, dog. But now, you see, say, dog, the man, them a hypocrite, man, you.
Hypocrite, bro.
And that with the whole heap of the musicians, them, the artists, the singer, all on sometimes, on come out and on burn certain things and rare and behind closed door, on are the biggest. Dog, this man wanna have picture with.
Yo, Tamale did just their party. Tamale never know what go on. Tamale did just their party.
Yeah, me say me don't know much about Tamale because Tamale was after the man days.
Yeah, Tamale did just their party.
This man dog, where we not power with brother. How comes you know sing them the song there, but yet still are you Kiprich who got man and them sitting there, brother? Dog. Well, I'm drinking rum there, man.
Yo, me know a body in the dog.
No, I don't bun dog. It's just that I said the man them a big hypocrite dog.
Dog.
The man them a power with this. You can't tell me say them never know.
Me not go judge the man them cause I don't know. Me don't know his settings where they inner. Me don't know if the man them if
You can't tell me nothing.
Me don't know, bro.
You can't tell me nothing dog.
You see me?
Me know say man them did know, but because of fame, because of money, everything else now gone on the back burner because guess what? We get look at highlight and we are power with one of the richest billionaire in the world, one of the most famous man in the world. So guess what? All of the morals what we sing about, that gone in the ground. Because guess what? We have to highlight, brother. We're not hypocrite. That me I tell you now. But yo, respect for the song them wanna do over the years. But dog, someone are really hypocrite, dog.
That's how we say still.
Yeah, big up the people them enough respect, dog. Enough respect to all of the people who were subscribed. Then
yo, you see comment section. Jesus. Yo, the take time with me in that comment. Yeah, big up.
Yeah.
Yo, big up yourself, my
Big up
G.
yourself. You
don't know.
Hold on, no, man.
You know everything there already.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah,
What
man.
you mean?
Yo, to success.
To success, dog.
Yeah, man, right
There
there.
we go. Enough respect. Jamaican artists, them we love you. We can't dash you away, but fix up on yourself.
Sometimes we have to fall and rise like the phoenix.
Zay.
Gaza.
Brother. Ship!